Arjun, do you know something? Today I was thinking, why is life so hard sometimes?
Maybe because life wants to make us stronger. But tell me, Mira, why are you thinking about this?
Because I saw a young boy working in a shop. He was studying and working at the same time. His eyes were tired, but his hope was shining.
Yes, I know that feeling. Hard work looks heavy, but inside it, there is something powerful.
Arjun, what does hard work really mean to you?
For me, hard work means doing something even when it is difficult, even when the world says stop, and even when you feel tired, but your heart says, just one more step.
That is so true. For me, hard work means believing in myself, even when I fail, even when others doubt me.
Yes, hard work is not only about using your hands, it is about using your heart.
Arjun, do you remember your childhood dream?
Yes, Mira. I wanted to become a teacher, but my family was simple. We did not have money, so I worked after school. Sometimes I was tired, sometimes I cried, but I did not stop.
And today, you are helping so many students. Your hard work built your future.
And you, Mira, what was your dream?
I wanted to be a writer. I loved writing stories, but everyone said, writers do not earn money. Still, I wrote, every night, even when no one believed in me.
Mira, you followed your heart. That is the purest hard work.
Arjun, why do people feel scared when they fail?
Because failure hurts. It feels like the world is laughing, but we forget one thing. Failure is not the end. It is a teacher.
Yes, sometimes failure teaches more than success.
Exactly. You know what hard work says? Fall 7 times. Stand up 8 times.
Smiling, that is beautiful. Arjun, sometimes I feel tired. I feel like giving up. Do you ever feel that?
Of course, Mira. Everyone feels that. Even the strongest person. Even the most successful person. Even the happiest person. We all feel tired.
But how do you continue?
I close my eyes, and I remember why I started. My dream wakes me up again. My purpose pulls me forward.
Yes, sometimes we forget our purpose, but hard work reminds us.
Do you know what I have learned, Mira?
Tell me.
Hard work never lies. It never cheats. If you work hard, life will give you something. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day, your hard work will shine like the sun.
That is a beautiful thought, Arjun, truly beautiful. What message would you give to students who feel stressed?
I would say, take a deep breath. You are stronger than you think. Do your best. Do one small step every day. Your future is waiting.
Yes, and I want to say, do not compare yourself. Everyone grows at their own time. Just focus on your journey.
Mira, what do you think is better, working hard or working smart?
Smiles, both. Work hard with your hands, work smart with your mind, and work true with your heart.
Perfectly said.
Arjun, I feel peaceful after talking to you.
Me too, Mira. Hard work becomes easier when someone understands your journey.
Yes, and I hope everyone listening remembers one thing. You are capable, you are strong, and your hard work will take you far.
Beautiful words. Let us keep working, keep learning, and keep moving forward.
Yes, together we grow. Arjun, look at the sky. The colors are so soft today.
Yes, it feels peaceful. You know, Mira, the sky reminds me of something.
What?
Hard work is like the sunset. You may not see the change every minute, but slowly, the whole world becomes brighter.
Wow, that is such a beautiful way of saying it, Arjun. Do you think everyone's hard work brings success?
Yes, but not always in the way we imagine. Sometimes hard work brings success in your job. Sometimes hard work brings peace. Sometimes it brings wisdom. And sometimes, hard work changes you even if the world doesn't see it.
I love that, because sometimes I feel like my efforts are invisible.
They are not invisible, Mira. Your efforts are shaping your future silently. Mira, can I share a small story?
Of course, Arjun. I always love your stories.
There were 2 seeds lying in the soil. One seed said, "I will wait. The soil is too hard. I'm scared." The other seed said, "I am scared too, but I will try. I will push a little." The first seed stayed underground forever. The second seed became a tree.
Because the second seed chose to grow.
Yes, hard work is that small push, that small courage.
Arjun, do you think routines help?
Oh yes, routines are the backbone of hard work.
Explain.
When you do something every day, even for 10 minutes, your mind becomes stronger, your habits become your power, and slowly, hard work becomes natural, not forced.
Yes, I feel that too. Even small efforts become big results. Arjun, people always say, start working hard, but starting is the hardest part.
You are right. The beginning feels heavy. Your mind tries to stop you. Your body feels lazy. Your heart feels scared.
Then how do we start?
By taking the smallest step. Just 5 minutes. Just 1 page. Just 1 try. After that, the journey continues naturally.
Yes, I think we make the beginning bigger in our head.
Exactly. But once you start, the fear becomes smaller.
Arjun, do you think patience is part of hard work?
Oh, definitely. Hard work without patience is like planting a seed and shouting, "Grow now, grow now."
Laugh softly, that is so true.
Success takes time. Dreams take time. Even healing takes time. Patience is not waiting, it is believing.
That line touched my heart. Arjun, sometimes people laugh. They say, you work too much, or, you dream too big.
Smiles calmly, let them laugh. People laugh until you succeed. After success, those same people clap.
So true.
Never let someone's doubt shake your hard work.
You know, Arjun, I feel like today's talk changed me.
Changed you? How?
I used to think hard work is a burden, but now I feel hard work is a blessing.
Exactly. Hard work builds character. Hard work builds confidence. Hard work turns dreams into reality.
And failures into lessons.
Beautifully said, Mira.
Arjun, if someone listening to us right now is feeling lost or weak, what would you say to them?
I would say, my friend, you are stronger than your problems. Your future needs you. Your dreams are calling you. Do not stop.
Soft voice, and I want to say, every great person you admire was once a beginner. Your time will come. Believe in your hard work.
Yes, and remember, hard work is not about being perfect. It is about never giving up.
Never, ever.
Let us keep going, slowly, bravely, and with hope.
Because one day, your hard work will tell your story.
And your story will inspire the world.